Okay, so we are at a fair in Nevada? Arizona. See, I don't even know where we are. And okay, and we're gonna go for a ride in
This one. Come here.
that.
That gorgeous thing.
Just because we can. Why not? Big ring of dirt. Yeah, spinning donut. Man, those back. That was awesome. That was very awesome.
Totally worth it.
Totally worth awesome.
Yeah. Totally worth the awesomeness.
I need one of these.
I have one actually.
You do not have one.
Yes, I have one.
This is a Ford. It is fantastic.
Ford, baby. Ford. All day.
Ford. Okay, that was an awesome ride on American Thunder.
It was.
Benefit to the fair season. You get to do things you normally wouldn't do. Maybe now we'll go ride elephants. But it's kind of late. Maybe we'll save that for tomorrow.